This 2020 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 25 PACK 12 theater seat slide, rear 12 feet cargo is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, TV, slide-out, skylight, external shower, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 25 PACK 12 theater seat slide, rear 12 feet cargo is 8,732 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.